Depending on how your site has been set up and also which theme you are using, you may also be able to edit the names of the pages on your site, the ordering, the hierarchy, and also add new pages and delete unwanted items. So if we click into the pages section of the site, you can see that this lists out all of the pages that are in this website, and pages have a few different states. They can be in draft and they can be published. So basically, if it's in draft, it means that the public can't view it, but the page is still saved in the content management system for you to add back at a later date. So if we take a look at the About page, for example, you can see that it has a number of sub-pages, which is reflected in the drop-down menu on the live site. So if we click into About Athena Coaching, we can see that over here in Page Attributes, you can select the parent of the page. About is the main page, and here are the sub-pages. So in terms of this site, the hierarchy that's shown here doesn't actually affect the menu structure here. And this is another way here that we can see the sub-pages in this section. The ordering of the pages within the menu is actually controlled under Appearance and then Menus. So this section here controls the layout of the main menu up the top here. And again, if your site is using a different theme, the way that this is laid out might be different, but the theory behind it is the same. So here we can see the structure of the menu. And in order to change the order of these and the hierarchy, it's simply drag and drop. So if we decided that core values was important enough to be a top level item, we can just drag it in. Or if we decided that clients should be a sub-page of About, again, simply drag and drop. If you'd like to add a new page, simply select the page from this box. So if we click into View All, and then click Add to Menu, and we can see that's just been added in here. If you click on this arrow here, you can see that there are some attributes that you can alter. So if you decided that you wanted to name this Our Clients instead, we can change the name, and that isn't going to edit this title here. So it means that the title and the label within the menu are completely separate, and you can have control over those as separate items. The reason that we do organize the pages into a hierarchy in here, even though that doesn't have any effect on the menu, is basically to keep them organized in the back end. As you can see, this site does have quite a few pages on it. So it's just so that we can keep all of the pages organized for whoever is editing the site. And that's a quick introduction to managing the pages on your site.